Alright guys, let's see what we got going on here. We got our old pick 'em up truck. We got some straps. And we got a door that's broke. What's going on here? Door's kind of in the way of progress. I need to put some stuff in there. We need a new door anyway. So let's see what happens to try and get this thing out of here. See what happens, you know. Yeah, we got the door open over there. I don't think we're going that far, are we? Really? I mean, do my best here to hold the camera and drive the truck. Kind of hard. Try to run a little straight. I think I got it in 4 low. Let's tighten up that strap. Does it look like it wants to go? Let's just go with it. That's how you remove a garage door. One garage door removal. You guys need any help doing yours?